The Mariana Trench is the deepest place on Earth, so deep we've barely explored it. But in 2016, a strange recording from deep within the trench shocked scientists. Nicknamed the Western Pacific biotwang, the sound doesn't match any known whale or marine animal. Some experts think it could be an undiscovered deep-sea creature lurking miles below the surface. With more than 80% of the ocean still unexplored, who knows what really lives in the darkness of the trench?